Hey, my friends. I normally have this conversation with my sister. She's going to be really upset, but she's working. So I'm going to talk to you. Are you looking for gifts that you can put in the stocking stuffers that are $35 or less? I've been to the Coach website and there are some gems I want to share with you. So hang on just for a second or two and let's get started.
Like on this video, comment on this video. Subscribe to my Nana's channel. Don't forget.
Okay, y'all, so I got my handy dandy notes here. I'm taking some good notes and we are going to jump into it. But before we do, let me thank my subscribers for coming back to my channel, watching this video, and those of you who are new. Hang around. I hope you decide to join the family as well. I would love to have you as part of the Mrs. DLC channel family. All right. Okay, so we're going to start from the lowest priced item to the highest priced item without going over $30. And we're going to start with this. And I know many of you who visit the outlet store, all of these items are in the outlet store and they're available online. Now, I don't know how long they're going to be available because once they run out, they run out. So if you see anything you want, you better go grab it and grab it quick. So, the ever so gorgeous, cute little mirrors. So, we're going to start out with those. These are the compact mirrors. They're $12. They have the pink heart and the ruby color heart. They're like glittery and they open up to a beautiful mirror. And then they also have in the pink a butterfly as well. So they have the three different options for you. There is the heart pink, the heart ruby, and then the butterfly pink. $12. All right, let's move on to the second thing. So we're going to go up the ladder here. Now, it is the holiday season that we're talking about, correct? So, one thing, now I miss this every year. Every year I say I'm going to get better with this. And this year I'm going to say it again. I'm going to get better with this. But guess what Coach has for us? Coach has available the Coach Holiday Card Set. Yes, holiday cards. So you can get your holiday cards, order them from the outlet, and there are 12 that are in the box. And there are $21. So you can send your holiday cards out if you're not going to get a gift. And these are some people that are close to you that you want to send the cards out to. Why not send them a Coach card? Those are available, the holiday card set. So that's number two and number four on the list, fourth item. So the next, as we go up, is the ever so useful card case. So I have the lip card case. It is beautiful. You see what it looks like? Has the little lips, but it still has the slots for your cards there, and it has the opening in the middle that you can put a little cash in or ID or whatever else you want to put in there. So that's the lip card case. It is reduced down to $23.40, less than $25. In addition to that, there is the curve. You see the curve card case that is available as well, and it also is $23.40. So there are two options for you for card cases that you can use as a stocking stuffer. You also have available the hand sanitizer holder. These are super cute. They are such cute gifts. So I envision maybe getting some of these holders and getting some hand sanitizers and packaging these up and adding them in as stocking stuffers. How cute would that be? They have this available in the gunmetal charcoal and the gunmetal khaki. And these are $20.40. Less than $25, you can have Coach brand hand sanitizer holders that you can put in a stocking stuffer. Now, another reason, or if you're looking for some gifts because some maybe families and sometimes at work you may have what is it, the white elephant or something, they have some type of gift game where you may pick someone's name but you can't spend more than $25. Here are some great things that you can give and people won't think that you just gave them a jar of jelly. So let's move on. The corner wristlet, corner zip wristlet. Who does not love the corner zip wristlet? They have this one in the lemon print. They also have it in the signature print in the olive green. These will run you $26.40. Less than $30, you can get some wristlets. Another item that you can get for $26.40, you have the ID case, and this is also in the lemon print. So we saw that in the lemon print that there was the wristlet corner zip that you can get, and if you wanted to get that as a matching set, you can also get someone the ID case. So that would be two items, each item under $30. And the most expensive, still under $30, are the card wallets. There are two different patterns or models of the card wallets available for $29.40. One is the lemon silver moonlight. You can get that for $29.40. And then there is the slim ID card case that with the strawberries. And that one you can also get for $29.40. So Coach gloves, you can get someone Coach gloves that are $29.40. You can get them in black, you can get them in saddle, and you can get them in pink. Three different options, and those are $29.40. And here you have it. Gifts that can be stocking stuffers or individual gifts. Thank me later. Thank you all. Please comment if you like this video, like it. I would be honored if you subscribe. So would you like? Would you comment? Would you subscribe? This is Mrs. DLC, and we will see you next time. I'm signing off.